Hi guys, welcome back to my blog. I'm Architect Studio, and today we're going to explore and visit Abreeza Ayala Business Park here in Metro Davao, located at JP Laurel Avenue, Pahada, Davao City, Philippines. So tara, samahan niyo ko ikutin natin ang Abreeza Ayala Business Park here in Metro Davao.
I'm gonna be turning, keep holding me down. Yeah. 수면이 더 비추는 이 세상을 봐. No.
But before that, before mo makalimutan, please like and subscribe to my channel Architect Studio and hit the notification bell to be updated every time I have a new upload in my channel. The sprawling Abreeza complex, which rises in a 10 hectares property owned by the Florendos, has turned out to be a modern mixed-use development with high-rise and mid-rise condominium, a hotel and a posh mall that provides Labawenyo shopping experience with a top shopping destination in the country like Metro Manila and Metro Cebu. The Abreeza Mall, which now its 11th year, has in fact continued to set trend that Labawenyo shoppers and to those neighboring areas are enjoying. As the first Ayala Mall to be established in Mindanao, Abreeza has indeed leveled up the lifestyle of Davaoenos. It's not just merely a place to shop, as it becomes a lifestyle and culture center that celebrates the best of Filipino architecture, artistry, and design. It brings a good life to Davaoeno, addressing not only their basic needs but also creative and vibrant community hub. Its entry in the local market has once again proven Ayala's mission to provide a destination that is distinct, where creativity, innovation, and originality are considered crucial. The mall's more than 300 stores make it a lifestyle landmark in Mindanao, as this offers a wide array of retail choices with popular local and foreign fashion concepts and brands that open first store in the island. Now Davaoeno don't need to go to Manila or Cebu to shop. Everything you need is here. From fashionable RTW items, accessories, shoes to beauty products are here, maybe it local or international brand. Adding that almost all top-of-the-line brands are made available at the mall. At the present, Ayala Abreeza Mall continues to provide the Davaoenos community with a truly unique and rewarding experience in shopping and dining and entertainment. Within Ayala Abreeza Complex are Alveo, Abreeza Residences, Patio Suites, Abreeza Place, Avida Tower Abreeza, Abreeza Ayala Mall, Seda Abreeza Hotel, and Abreeza Corporate Center.
I wanna know everything.時が流れるほど深まる君の過去と未来の間にいる僕は今 Don't leave me, I feel it passion.
Abreeza Residences is a 26-story condominium tower. This Abreeza condominium tower offers the city skyline and a piece of sophisticated life within Abreeza Ayala Business Park, just beside Seda Abreeza Hotel.
술에들만 할 때만은 one big risk 하나를 하자면 되면 that's okay You don't gotta worry about a thing Nah, not a thing 콘도와 오래가 오그루와 카나다 스트도 carry your thoughts 바뀌게 모두 새로운 나라 되나오 새로운 오니 가끔 또 헷갈리 너와 이단이 일으키니 왜 내가 Don't let me ability all of us 너 왠지 깊이가 묻고도 기분
Seda Abreeza Hotel is a 4-star hotel here in Davao City. Seda Abreeza Hotel is Davao City's premier travel accommodation where you can enjoy the comfort, convenience, and unparalleled service that uniquely the Seda brand. This Ayala Land Hotel in Abreeza is designed with modern and timeless architecture, carrying the signature of elegance of Seda, mute colors, and earth tones. A perfect place for both leisure and business travel.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고
Abreeza Place is a residential tower in Abreeza Ayala Business Park. This 27-story vertical community presents an urban haven where home and around keeps in tone with everyday rhythm, echoing the best of life.
I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah I'm going crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸 I'm going crazy 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게 내 맘을 받아줘 영원히 변치 않을 테니 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah I'm going
psycho. Show me what you got and I'm the Ayala.
Hello 그 짧은 인사 Good night 그 짧은 인사에 왜 설레는 걸까 나만 그런가 Everyday 보고 싶어 Everyday 항상 그 자리에 난 너를 기다려
뭐라고 말을 걸어볼까 Right now 너라고 내가 기다리던 girl Oh I can't let it go Oh 원하는 너의 말 난 많이 하루 종일 널 생각하니 네 맘을 보여줘
썸이려 네 맘을 보아 소주보다 숨기지 마 그래야 내가 많이 너 아직 어리지만 너를 갖고 있던 사는 한 송이고
Hi everyone, please subscribe to Architect Studio by Architect Gerald Patrick Caraya. Congrats Gerald.